Hello my friends, this is Hot Pot Bob here, back with another video. I'm going to show you a recipe on an American classic, but add a fun and unique Asian twist to it. What is this American classic food that I talk of? Well, it's the hot dog. I'm sure you've had one or two or a few thousand hot dogs in a bun. Some of you may have had pigs in a blanket, which is a common term for hot dogs baked in a crescent roll. But how many of you have tried hot dogs steamed in a BAO? Watch this video and I'll show you how to make a super tasty, yet super simple recipe on how to make hot dog with an Asian twist. It's slightly sweet and super fluffy. You and your kids will love it. Let's go! I'm going to start off with prepping the yeast. Pour 1 3/4 cup of warm water in a bowl and add 2 teaspoons of yeast. I love to use Fleischmann's pizza crust yeast. It is indeed fast and easy. As you can see, 1 pack equals 2 teaspoons, exactly what I need for this recipe. I only need to let the yeast sit in the water for about 10 minutes and it's ready to go. This instant yeast is also called quick rise or fast rising yeast. It looks just like its active dried counterpart, but the granules are smaller. Because of its fine texture, instant yeast activates much more quickly. I also add 4 tablespoons of sugar. As we let the yeast do its thing for about 10 minutes or so, I'm going to next pour in 4 cups of all-purpose flour into a mixing bowl. As usual, I'm going to include the measurements under the description below. Also, if you haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, click the bell for notification, and give me a like. Now it's time to pour in the yeast mixture. Slowly pour it into the flour and mix. It's time to dig in and get your hands dirty. And yes, I did wash my hands. After kneading the dough for about 10 minutes or so, next pour in about 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, cover, and let it do its thing for about 30 minutes or so. It's time to take the dough out and knead for another 10 minutes. Okay, I am now going to cut the dough up into 24 equal sizes. How do I get to exactly 24? I have no idea. You just have to eyeball it. Hey, cooking's not an exact science. You just have to build up some tribal knowledge and make it a few times. Practice makes perfect. It's hot dog time! Buy a pack of 8 hot dogs, any brand will do. I'm gonna cut each up into 3 equal parts. 8 times 3 equals 24. Genius. I'm going to now make the hot dog baos. Sit back and enjoy the show. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video on how to make hot dog bao. I hope all of you try this recipe and tell me what you think. If you haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe to this channel so I can continue posting more food videos for all of you. Smash the like button, hit the bell for notifications. See you all very soon. Bye.